is Luisa. I love to be with children, that's why I became a teacher. I studied for 5 years at university to become a language teacher, and last year I even took a course to teach the alphabet. So we developed all kinds of methods to make it a fun lesson, and I'm looking so forward to be teaching your children the GIS alphabet. And let me show you some of the methods we'll use, like for Elil, with pictures and visual aid, or D for Delphi, and we will also be using other visual aid that is also culturally appropriate for our beautiful culture. Then there will also be little stories that the children can practice and use what they learned, and of course also songs that help to remember the words and the alphabet. And we'll also get a worksheet where they can practice writing and reading the letters that they learned in that week. I hope you all register, and I'm looking forward to the class. Bye bye!
Culture is cool.